right, here we are, session number 8, being our last somatic meditation of this season. And as I kind of said in the weekly blurb, this whole meditation will be a recap of all of the areas that we already kind of mapped in the last 7 weeks. And what I kind of wanted to touch base on is that our nervous system, in charge of how we hold ourselves in space, our structure is a direct reflection of how we feel emotionally. And so every thought pattern has a physiological response. And so when we look at this next slide here, where you can really see the fascial terrains and how they run through the body, and this was also in one of the slides talking about the tendon guard reflex, the fascial train running from the back of your neck through the low back and down through your hips, behind your knees, and down to the big toe. Any sort of restriction in one area will throw everything else out of balance. And so becoming more parasympathetic overall means the entire structure of the body, all of the muscular holding patterns let go, and really becoming a whole human again. And so holding patterns can be anywhere in the body, and so kind of mapping one little section at a time and being curious and investigating what we store in those areas emotionally is a really, really wonderful thing to do. The other thing that's really quite interesting about switching from being chronically activated to having your nervous system self-regulate and switch in and out of parasympathetic and sympathetic is that the organs will function completely differently in the tube in relation to one nervous system state to another. And so fluids, breath, circulation, and all the other beautiful things that are supposed to be autonomic, so unconscious, will do what they're supposed to be doing if things are running in proper order. And so, thank you so much for joining me for this last session. And I hope you enjoyed going through these parts of the body each week. And I look forward to see you in season 2.